So I came out fishing this morning and I saw this poor little guy here. He's caught up in a bunch of fishing line, and you can see I've hooked the line. So I'm slowly getting him in. He was almost underwater, poor guy. I'm gonna give him a second chance today, I hope. Then sitting out here we got mad sea lions. Okay, so here he is. Holy fuck, am I ever cold. Oh, freezing. Poor little guy. He's real mellow. He's pretty chill. I'm gonna just lay him over here. See if I can untangle his feet. Big knot. Okay, oh, I'm shaking. I can barely keep my composure here. Anyhow. I had to swim out to that kelp ball because he was all stuck in it, but there's the little guy. I used that, I used this mussel shell. He had spider line all wrapped around his legs and his wing. So we'll take him to Wild Ark and hopefully he survives. The poor guy, he must be so cold. He's shaking too. See if we can save him.